Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Thursday, 7 May. We're sponsored by WAC Architectural, brilliant style built for projects. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Another hint about our celebrity guest presenter next Tuesday. He is one of my best friends in the lighting industry. Stay tuned. QTL has consolidated all manufacturing and operations into its expanded Milford, Connecticut headquarters and opened a new warehouse in nearby Shelton. The move brings engineering, product development, and manufacturing together under one roof as the company prepares for an aggressive 2026 product launch schedule. Night Lights in New Lebanon is launching its emerging professional program, a hands-on initiative for early career lighting designers from New York City and Boston. The 5 through 7 June retreat offers mentorship, workshops, and design experience with applications open through 8 May. Details at edisonreport.com. Tridonic UK has announced leadership changes to accelerate its digital services and data-driven solutions strategy following the rollout of its Building Asset 360 platform. The move aims to strengthen its focus on smart building performance, energy efficiency, and lifecycle assessment management across the UK market. Elite Lighting is hiring a lighting product content creator and marketing support person to develop and maintain product specification sheets, descriptions, and marketing content. The position focuses on translating technical lighting information into clear, accurate materials and supporting cross-team communications. Apply at edisonreport.com. And an incredible day for the market yesterday. Dow gained 612 points. NASDAQ gained 512 points, which was another record high. Acuity was up $4.72. I would have thought more. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.